Midwest Engineered Systems provides large, articulated positioners using servo drives and coordinated axes to create a articulated motion as a robot would for large parts in a custom configuration. In this operation, the equipment is responsible for moving large bulkheads from one segment to another. Outside of the conveyor that brings in the component to the positioner, the first positioner reaches down and picks it up in a concave position so that the flat surface is facing down. The servo articulated gripper picks up the exterior of the parts, moves it to a position for an operator to do some assembly operations, and then it hands it off to a secondary station where additional components are assembled to the inside of the part now that the part is gripped opposite sides. And that component is finished assembly, articulated through the multiple positions specific to each part number, and then it rotates around to the third position. That part is then oriented for the robot to do all the finish welding of all the tacked on components. It's positioned for another operator to be able to inspect it all through pre-programmed steps, and when that inspection is complete, the part is positioned on an outgoing conveyor to go to subsequent processing. Contact Midwest Engineered Systems for all your custom material handling needs for large to small components in an articulated and custom fashion.